Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change number of walls in PrusaSlicer. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, before we start, what we are going to do first is in the top right corner of the screen, set this to normal mode or expert mode. So I have this on expert mode. You will see more settings as if you are in the beginner mode. Now click on the print settings tab uh, at the very top of your screen. Then in the left hand column click on layers and perimeters. So the first one, look at the right side of the screen and find a section called vertical shields. Now what we need to do, change the number in the box next to perimeters, so from 2 to 4. So this will double the amount of walls on your print. Click back to Plater tab and select the Slice Now to apply changes. So I have already done that, so because of that I have export G code right here. But you will see the button here, slice now. So if I change this to number 3 like that, I think yes, you will see now slice now, and this is pretty much it. So I can tell you this about numbers. So 2 walls is something standard, perfect for decorative models. 3 to 4 walls is strong, great for general household items or brackets that need to hold a little bit of weight. And then we have 5 plus walls. It's more for functional mechanical parts, gears or tools that will take a lot of stress. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next